Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by protecting the guitar and gathering tools, string winder, cutter, tuner, new set, and cloth. Begin with the lowest tension string. Turn the tuner to reduce tension until the string is slack. Repeat for each string so tension release is gradual. Once done, cut the string near the middle to avoid recoil and unwind it from the post. Make sure to catch any bridge pins on an acoustic and store them safely. This prevents neck twist and keeps parts organized for wrist ringing. You now take each loose string off the tuning post and pull it through the bridge or lift out bridge pins. Go slowly so pins don't jam. With strings removed, clean the fretboard and around frets using a cloth or lemon oil for unfinished wood. This prevents grime buildup and improves tone transfer. Once cleaned, inspect the nut slots and saddle for wear. If you see sharp edges, make a note to file or have them dressed. These steps make your new strings last longer and play cleaner. You thread the new string through the bridge or pin, pull it toward the tuner and leave about 2 to 3 wraps of slack so the knot winds downward for stability. Wind the tuner until snug, then pull the string gently along its length to pre-stretch. Tune to pitch, and repeat stretching and tuning until the pitch holds. Once stable, clip excess string close to the post and check intonation at the 12th fret. If notes are sharp or flat, adjust saddle or take to attack. If buzzing occurs, check nut slot depth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.